Have you ever looked into the eyes of an animal and wondered what was going through its mind? Imagine for a moment that every animal on Earth could suddenly speak. The birds perched on power lines, the dogs sleeping at your feet, the whales moving silently through the ocean, and the wolves hiding deep within forests. Now imagine asking them one simple question. What do you think about humans? Their answers might surprise you, because while humans spend countless hours studying animals, very few people stop to consider how animals might see us. To them, we are not just another species. We are something entirely different. We are creatures that build cities, change landscapes, fly through the skies, and send machines into space. To an animal looking at humanity from the outside, we may seem less like animals and more like a force of nature. And the truth is, what animals think about us could reveal more about ourselves than we ever expected. Let's start with dogs. Perhaps the species that understands humans better than any other. Thousands of years ago, wolves cautiously approached human camps, searching for scraps and opportunities. Over generations, those wolves evolved into dogs, creating one of the most remarkable partnerships in history. Today, when a dog looks at its owner, something extraordinary happens. Scientists have discovered that both dogs and humans release oxytocin, often called the love hormone. The same chemical involved in bonding between parents and children is released when a dog gazes into a human's eyes. To many dogs, humans are not simply providers of food. We are family. We are protection. We are trust. Imagine seeing the world through a dog's eyes. Every day, your human returns home no matter how long they've been gone. They feed you, protect you, comfort you, and care for you. To a dog, humans may appear almost magical. They control the environment, solve problems, and provide safety in a dangerous world. If dogs could speak, they might tell us that humans are the most reliable creatures they have ever known. But then, there are cats. Unlike dogs, cats followed a very different path. Cats were never fully domesticated in the way dogs were. Instead, they simply discovered that living near humans made life easier. Food was available, shelter was abundant, and survival became less difficult. Many experts believe cats may view humans as giant, somewhat clumsy versions of themselves. Think about it. Cats rub against our legs, bring us gifts, and communicate with us in ways they rarely do with other animals. Yet, unlike dogs, cats maintain a strong sense of independence. They don't necessarily see humans as leaders. Instead, they may see us as equals or companions. If cats could explain their perspective, they might say humans are strange creatures who spend enormous amounts of time working, staring at glowing screens, and worrying about things that don't seem important. To a cat, the perfect life is simple. Eat, sleep, explore, and enjoy the moment. Perhaps cats see humans as intelligent beings who somehow make life more complicated than it needs to be. Now imagine the perspective of a wild animal. A deer grazing in a meadow doesn't see humans the same way a dog or cat does. To many wild animals, humans represent uncertainty and danger. Unlike natural predators, humans don't fit into any predictable pattern. Wolves hunt because they are hungry. Lions hunt to survive. But humans can alter entire ecosystems. They can clear forests, build roads, redirect rivers, and transform landscapes within a single generation. To a deer, a bear is dangerous but understandable. A human is something else entirely. Humans don't have claws, fangs, or incredible speed, yet they dominate nearly every environment on Earth. If wild animals could describe humanity, they might compare us to storms, earthquakes, or floods. We are not merely predators. We are a force capable of changing the world around us in ways no other species can. Then there are animals whose intelligence challenges our understanding of consciousness itself. Dolphins, elephants, and certain primates display behaviors that suggest remarkable levels of awareness. They recognize themselves in mirrors. They remember events from years ago. They form deep social bonds and even mourn the loss of family members. These animals may recognize something unusual about humans. Imagine being an elephant observing humanity. You encounter a species physically weaker than you, yet capable of constructing massive cities, creating technology, and traveling beyond the boundaries of Earth itself. To an elephant, humans might seem almost impossible. We are fragile, yet incredibly powerful. We lack natural weapons, yet we dominate the planet. Dolphins, known for their intelligence and curiosity, often approach humans with interest rather than fear. Perhaps they see us as fellow problem solvers. Perhaps they recognize that behind our strange behavior lies a level of intelligence unlike anything else in nature. But the most confusing thing about humans may not be our intelligence. It may be our contradictions. Humans rescue injured animals and dedicate their lives to protecting endangered species. At the same time, humans destroy habitats and drive species toward extinction. Humans create wildlife sanctuaries, donate billions to conservation efforts, and risk their lives to save individual animals. Yet humans are also responsible for some of the greatest environmental changes in history. If animals were capable of judging humanity as a whole, they might struggle to understand these contradictions. Why would the same species that protects forests also destroy them? Why would the same hands that feed starving animals also pollute the oceans? To animals, humanity may appear deeply unpredictable. We are capable of extraordinary compassion and extraordinary destruction. We are a species constantly caught between our highest ideals and our darkest impulses. And perhaps that is the answer. What do animals really think about humans? Dogs may see loyalty and family. Cats may see curious companions. Wild animals may see danger and unpredictability. Dolphins and elephants may see intelligence and mystery. But almost every animal would likely agree on one thing. Humans are unlike anything else on Earth. We are the species that imagines the future. We are the species that transforms the environment around us. We are the species capable of changing the fate of countless other living creatures. Whether animals view us with admiration, fear, curiosity, or confusion, one thing is certain. Every day, through our actions, we decide what kind of species we will be. The next time a dog looks into your eyes, a bird watches you from a tree, or a wild animal disappears into the distance, remember this. Somewhere between kindness and destruction, between wisdom and chaos, lies the answer to what animals truly think about humans. And perhaps the real question isn't what animals think about us. Perhaps the real question is whether we are becoming the kind of species worthy of their trust.